Hello students, how are you? I'm Dr. Sajid and today I bring you a very important video, especially if you are planning to study abroad. If you really want to get benefit from this video, then you need to watch it till the end because this video is based on 6 important things to know before studying abroad. Before I proceed, I request you to subscribe this channel because I'm going to tell you very important facts that agents or education consultants will not tell you. Also, I will upload some extremely important videos for those who want to study abroad on scholarship. First of all, you should set the budget for your studies. Remember, international education can be very expensive. You need to know three things before applying in any country or the university. For example, you may look for the countries with relatively affordable tuition fee, or you can search for the scholarship opportunities in that country you have chosen. Remember, some scholarships can be fully paid, while others can be partial. I have made a video on top 10 universities in the USA you can apply and get scholarship. The link for that video can be found in the description. Finally, you can search working conditions and alternatives as a student. Some countries allow you to work part-time while studying there. Choosing the right country for studying abroad depends on many factors, such as living conditions, cultural differences, spoken language, distance to the country where you live, climatic conditions, accommodation, tuition fee, and post-study working conditions and opportunities. USA, Canada, Australia, UK, Ireland, and New Zealand are among the top study abroad countries for international students. However, you can make a more accurate decision on the country of your choice, considering your field of study and popular profession in that country. Choosing the right university and course is most important part of the decision to study abroad. In the process of making this decision, you can get free help from me by sending email to my email address listed in front of you. When you choose any university or college overseas, make sure you know all the admission requirements, including academic results, certificates, and transcripts, etc. You also need to check if the university or the institution require any specific exams as a prerequisite to be accepted. Below are the some of the exams you may be required to take. For example, English proficiency exam like IELTS test is often required by the universities overseas. For medical education in Canada, USA, and Australia, you may need the Medical College Admission Test (MCAT) as a compulsory requirement. In Canada and the USA, the Law School Admission Test (LSAT) is required for legal education. In the UK, GRE test is common for engineering, social sciences, and business management subjects, while in the USA, GMAT testing is more common, especially for the business, marketing, and finance master programs. SAT test is also required by the most of the universities and colleges in the USA for students seeking an undergraduate degree. It is also extremely important to explore whether your chosen country allows students to work part-time or not. For example, some countries have the policy to allow students to work only on a campus in the first year, while others offer off-campus work. But most of the countries allow students to work part-time while studying. This basically help you to earn some money as well as to gain some working experience and getting in touch with the local community. You also need to think about your career after graduation, even before starting your studies overseas. Most international students want high paying career opportunities abroad, and some consider the possibility of staying at their study destination. In the light of that, social and professional networks, internship programs, and joint projects with most universities in the corporation with employers can be great opportunities for you. Now this is the time to know which documents you need for a formal application in any university in the world. So here is the list of the things you need. For example, all educational documents including certificates, degrees, and transcripts. Secondly, IELTS or GMAT certificate or other testing certificates discussed in the middle of the video. You need you also need a passport with more than 6 months expiry. You need a personal statement. You will need two recommendation or reference letters and a financial document, preferably a bank statement that covers your tuition fees of 1 year at least and living expenses as well. If you have above documents ready, you may contact me for admission in any university, preferably in the UK. I will guide you throughout the process free of cost. Remember, I don't charge anything for advice. My email address is given in the description. But if you have any other inquiries, please ask in the comments section so that others can get benefit from this information as well. I hope you like this informative video because so many students don't know about the process of applying abroad. If you need further informative videos in the future, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Take care yourself and goodbye.